Hello, my name is Thomas, so I'm going to be walking you through Cookie Chaos Controllable Heroes Titan Chase. I was getting my butt kicked in this event, and especially on the 22, and I figured out this little trick, and I figured I'd share it with you guys. First thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to drop your hero as soon as possible. As you see, there's only 2 people that are going to be chasing you. Those Titans are not your friends. Now they have a bunch of other friends. You're going to go all the way down to the bottom to where the freeze is. Now, after you're done going around to the freeze, you're now going to go into that little cubby hole that I just showed you. You're going to go up and you're going to go down. You're going to go up and you're going to go down. The point is that you're trying to activate the mortars. Once the mortars start attacking you for some reason, all the Titans start to go away. Say bye, guys. So now you no longer have to deal with them. You don't want to go too far up because the Monolith will strike you. Hence why I got struck a couple times, so please don't make the same mistake I did. Run away, run away. Okay. So you do need to activate the bats. The bats are actually going to take out the Monolith. And then you can come in now that it's being protected and defended, and you're going to attack it a couple times yourself. Your next goal is to be able to get the Invisibility Fox. So in order to do that, you're going to go ahead and need your army. So in order to do that once again, you need to get your army. Get your army, Thomas. There you go. Go back through and you're going to get your barbarians. Your barbarians are going to distract the witches, and the witches are eventually going to be beat. You want to get a couple strikes in yourself if you can, but you can just stay behind them. Once again, the goal is just to be able to get one shot and become invisible. Alright, now you got your Invisibility Fox. Click here. Alright, so now you're going to go to the outside of the stones, and there's a very important reason for that. And so you don't get attacked by everything that they just got attacked by. You're going to go over to the hill. Then after you're done with the hill, you're going to go over to where the P.E.K.K.A.s are in the very back by the mortars. You're going to rush through there because once again you're invisible and you don't want to get frozen and ate up by the P.E.K.K.A.s. Besides that, guys, this is pretty much a walk in the park. I'm going to let the rest of the video speak for itself, but you're going to stay behind the P.E.K.K.A.s. Then after you stay behind the P.E.K.K.A.s, you're going to stay behind the other army that you release. You're going to go ahead and do the spells and release those, so that way you can take care of the Inferno Towers. And then finally, you can actually activate your ability. You can activate your ability before and still get away with the strategy, but I do recommend to save it until the end. So as you go through, at the very last spot, you're going to go, 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 just like the little ducky that I put in there says, right? You have rage, you're finally going to hit the fireworks, and then congratulations, you've actually beaten level 22. If you get a chance, please check out our other material on LinkedIn, TikTok, and YouTube. Once again, thank you very much for watching, and God bless.